Hello, this is the final exam for this class. The deadline for this exam is August 10th, so you should have about a week or more to complete the video. Let's begin. The monarch butterfly. The monarch butterfly is sometimes called the milkweed butterfly because as a caterpillar, the milkweed plant is the only thing the caterpillars eat. The milkweed plant makes the monarch poisonous, and this explains its bright colors. Adults are bright orange, and caterpillars have bright yellow stripes. And the bright stripes and the bright colors are a warning to predators that the monarch is poisonous. And although the poison will not kill a predator, it's strong enough to make them very sick. Monarch butterflies lay one egg on a young milkweed plant during the spring and summer months. The eggs are a light green color and in the shape of a flower vase. They weigh less than 0.5 milligrams each. As females age, the size of their eggs decrease. Eggs take about 3 to 12 days to hatch depending on the weather. If it's cold, it takes longer, and if it's warmer, they hatch quicker. Monarch eggs hatch in caterpillars and go through 5 distinct stages. Each stage lasts about 4 days. Now, what's important about these stages is the weight difference. In the last stage, the caterpillar weighs 2,000 times more than it does in the first stage. And it's at this point that the caterpillar stops eating, and this marks the beginning of the 5th and final stage. The caterpillar stops eating and begins to search for a pupation site. The caterpillar makes a cocoon, and at normal summer temperatures, pupation takes about 12 days. When the adult emerges from the cocoon, it comes out upside down and hangs upside down on the bottom of the cocoon. Its wings have been folded and are soft inside the cocoon, and the caterpillar actually begins to pump fluid into its wings, and slowly the wings stretch out and dry. Once the wings dry, they become hard, and then the butterfly can fly. During the breeding season, adults reach maturity in about 5 days after they come out of the cocoon, 5 days after they come out of the cocoon. And they typically live for about 2 to 5 weeks after that. But unfortunately, only about 10% of butterflies survive to adulthood. The majority, despite being poisonous, the majority, about 90%, fall prey to changes in the weather, to parasites, disease, and of course, to predators. The lifespan of an individual monarch depends on when it comes out of its cocoon, what season. There are 4 distinct generations born every summer. Butterflies that come out in the first 3 generations have a relatively short lifespan of 2 to 5 weeks. However, butterflies that come out in late summer, in the end of August, they live over the winter and they migrate. Their lifespan is 8 to 10 months. About 10 times longer than the other 3 generations. And this 4th generation migrates every winter from Canada all the way to Mexico. They follow the same migration path every year and travel over 4,000 kilometers one way. They spend all winter in a kind of hibernation in Mexico, and they do not reach sexual maturity until the spring. In the spring, when they begin their return trip to Canada, they reach sexual maturity and they begin to mate and lay eggs, and the entire process begins again. The end. That is the exam for this term. I look forward to seeing your videos.